can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me?
Good morning. We look rough. No, she looks pretty. Look at her. No, we look rough. I look rough. We're up early, unfortunately. Very unfortunate. And it's raining outside, so I don't want to do nothing today. I just want to stay home, drink hot chocolate, watch Power. Yeah, I got her to watch Power finally. Yeah, she has never watched it. And Married to Medicine. What we have planned for today is, you know, not in my comfort zone. Yeah, we have a Christmas major. But it's a Christmas photo shoot. It's not like it's a photo shoot. I'm not the most comfortable person in front of a camera. But anyway, yeah, we'll see you later. See you later, alligator. What's up, guys? I'm hungry. Right now? So I'm angry. Hangry. She's very hangry. Alicia, come in the video. No, we're not at her mom's house. We're here to take the Christmas picture. Can you take your seatbelt off? Yeah, ready. Say hi. Hi. Miss Grumpy. She just took a nap. She just woke up from her nap and she'd be real grumpy after a nap. Real grumpy. But we just got here. Miss Girl took us for a trip. We're supposed to go to Starbucks. Before we got here, she took us all the way back. The GPS back around. Took us to one in Atlanta, even though there was one close by. But it was weird because the time from where we were to the drive to Atlanta was not far. So I know she's not talking because this girl, her GPS skills. I don't care. It's anyway, okay, I'm gonna feed you. We're gonna go to Starbucks right after this. No, can we get food? Yes, you can get food, but I want my Starbucks. She's like Kirby, y'all. Like Patrick and Kirby, y'all seen them? But anyway, Kirby. Yeah, we're gonna go take these pictures now. I'll try to take some video. What the fuck? Some video footage if we can.
Mama, look, they have a pink car over there.
They do, but it's not for you, babes. Okay.
I know.
Okay, just making sure you know. All right, let's go before we're late. All right, and get charged. Say bye, YouTube. Say bye. Oh, now you shy?
No.
We finished the shoot. Okay. And now we're going to Starbucks. It's Starbucks. I need my motherfucking Starbucks. She feeding y'all. She feeding.
Apple pencil.
And so is Talia. Yeah, that's your Apple Pencil?
Yeah.
Oh wow, let me see it. So cute. So cute.
It's even a cat.
Who told you that was an Apple Pencil?
Nobody. I just wanted it.
Okay.
I just wanted an Apple Pencil.
Oh, like me. That's so cute, babe. You want some Starbucks?
Yes.
Yeah. I want some food.
That's why I made a map for Alicia.
I don't want no Starbucks, y'all. I just want food, but, you know. We'll get some food later. But right now, I need Starbucks. Happy daughter, peaceful day. So, you know. Yeah. Starbucks and goes to get some food. And then you said and then Target. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yes, good toy.
Target. So you're gonna get Target. She loves Target just like me. Right? You love Target. Target. You like it more than Walmart, right?
Yeah.
Period. So you're She's a Walmart word. What's to say? Walmart girly. And I don't like Walmart. It's just not it. I just like because it's near the house and it has the groceries I need. I don't go there.
You don't like Walmart?
I do. Girl. I don't like Walmart. Your mom is a hater. I'm not a hater. It's just.
What do you like?
Target.
Target, but I like Target.
I know you like Target because you're like mama. Yo, my stomach is talking to me. It's speaking in tongues. But yeah, I'll see y'all when I see y'all.
Look at the map.
Probably when we're at the restaurant. What restaurant are we going to? I don't know. We're going to a restaurant.
Look at the map.
Yes. I don't know. I never
she
know
never
what
knows,
to eat.
bro. At first, I was okay with it, but now it irritates me. Because, like, how do you never know?
Because I never know.
Alicia,
I know what I'm
it's
not in the mood for.
It's a lot of pressure on me, and then when she don't tell me, and I come to me, she's like, oh.
The map is right here.
I didn't really want that.
We should look at the map.
Where are we?
As she said it, Monterey. The Monterey Mexican restaurant. About to get some good eats, dance a little bit. You remember those when we ate them together?
No, it's fine. See?
Y pienso que locos somos.
What you gonna eat, Aaliyah? What you gonna eat? You want some tacos?
You want tacos?
You want rice?
You want rice?
Oh Lord. Okay.
Well, she's a cheap date, so.
Get it, girl. Good. Get it. Put that on my.
Oh, you go. She on that shit, y'all. She on that shit. She was eating some rain pot. And now she's, no, show them the evidence. What the hell? All right. Let's just cut to the bakery. We're gonna make some banana bread.
If you're gonna buy a dog, I suggest you reconsider. Almost burnt my fucking banana bread because I went to take Nova for a walk real quick. She got off her leash, ran away, caught her ass, and boss was tight, but I took her for a walk first, so he peed all over the floor. How wonderful. Huh? I was just telling them how she not get a fucking dog. I don't get it.
I tried to tell her, but you know, that one was gonna be enough.
Anyways.
Banana bread. And my drinky drink. Aaliyah fell asleep in 10 minutes.
I mean, having a dog is great and all, but when they start doing this bullshit, too much. So yeah, we're gonna watch some TV. Eat some banana bread once it cools down. Do some laundry. Peace. Bye.
It's not that.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?